Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to make a outline text effect on your text in your LibreOffice right here on your computer. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to make a outline text effect in your LibreOffice, right? I'm just going to show in this video. So I just copied this text here and just going to paste here. And now I'm just going to make an outline text effect here for this. Just select it first. Then you just need to click on the format option on the top. Then you just need to click on the text option. Here you can find an option called outline font effect. Just click this. You can find the text has been changed to the outline font effect. If you just need to undo this text effect, don't worry, you have to use a clear formatting option. Otherwise, just go to the format option and go to the text option. Just click it again, which make it as a normal. So this is how you just make this outline text effect on your LibreOffice site on your computer. And if you have any comment out about the LibreOffice site, just comment below. We will make a video about it, and we will meet in our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak Sen from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful and also beautiful day.